Sales is easy, you just make it complicated. Everyone is acting like sales is complicated, psychology games, high level. It's not, it's basic. And most of you are missing the basics. So here are the basic collection. Hi guys, I'm Teodora. I'm a sales and LinkedIn consultant, helping businesses make more money. I'm also founder of Hot Take, LinkedIn sales engine, which many of you desperately needs. So whoever wants it, drop a comment and I will give you free access. Lesson number 1, clarity is money. If people don't understand what you do, they won't buy. Simple, not I help businesses grow. No, I do consulting. Say what do you do for who and what they get. I help founders get clients through LinkedIn. Lesson 2, ask better questions. Stop pitching, ask questions. Bad salespeople talk. Good salespeople ask and listen. Ask how are you currently getting clients? What's not working? Let them say the problem out loud, because people trust their own words, not your pitch. Lesson 3, problem first, not service. Nobody cares about your service, they care about their problem. So don't say we offer this. Say, this is where you're losing money right now. And watch what happens. Stop chasing. If you're chasing, you'll already lost. Good salespeople feels like clarity, timing, needs. Not begging, not convincing, not forcing. Lesson number 5. Make them see the gap. Your job is not to convince. Your job is to show them gap. Where they are versus where they wanna be. Once they see it, you don't need to push. Lesson 6. System is bigger than talent. You don't need to be good at sales, you need a system. Every week, talk to people, ask questions, identify problems, offer solutions. Repeat it. That's it. Lesson number 7. Stop over-explaining. If you need 10 minutes to show your offer, it's bad. Simple sales, confusion kills deals. Sales is easy when you stop making it about you and start making it about them. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one. Sending you a lot of kisses. I love you and don't forget to leave a comment. I'm reading everything. Bye!